all around the ingredient. So delicious. Little bit spicy, many more bite flavor, very taste and healthy.
Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So today I will introduce to you something new recipe. Actually I am deeply researched in website. There is no any evidence regarding this recipe. So I will be showing to you how to make this beautiful special recipe. It is easy to make. First I will be showing to you my core ingredients. Mainly I will show you this is the bird eggs. Look at this, how it is. So this is next level biryani. Hopefully. Let's start. This is our bird's egg. Look at this. Smaller. I'll show you how it is inside. Yeah, it's same as like a chicken egg, but this is the smaller. Of course, birds. So first of all, I'm going to boil our egg. So beginning, I'm going to boil all our bird's egg. Wow. So those are the ingredients that I will be using. Couple of onion, tomato, carrots, bell pepper, green onions, broccoli. Finally I will show you this is the beetroots. Why I using beetroot? There is some reason. I will let you know. So first of all I want to tell you I don't use any kind of food coloring or food chemical. I am using this beetroots for a brighter color, also healthy and sweet flavors. That's why I using beetroots. Our egg already boiled. Close and keep aside. So this is our all the vegetable. I am going to mix everything. Broccoli, bell pepper, carrots, sweet corn, green peas. I will use later green onion, tomatoes, beetroot. So this ingredient I am going to mix with our vegetables. Half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. So I'm going to add some more yogurt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay guys, I add almost 4 to 5 spoons yogurt. Now mix properly. Okay, keep aside. This is our next ingredient for biryani powder. Okay, I using cinnamon stick 1 piece, bay leaves 2 pieces, 6 pieces cardamom, star onions 2 pieces, clove 6 pieces, and cumin powder also 1 teaspoon, also tamarind paste. Also I have a black pepper. That's the ingredient, has to go together. Everything we have to start. Oh, look at this biryani powder. Now I am going to cook our long green basmati rice, 400 grams. We are going to add cinnamon stick, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix properly. I already removed the eggshell. Look at this. Beautiful. Now we are ready to start cooking. Now cooking is done. I'm going to add half cup of sunflower oil. Alright. Now add our onion. So onion make a fry until gold color. Now remove some amount. I'm going to remove some amount. Right. Going to add some more oil. Right. I got heat. Now I'm going to fry our all the Look at this color, smell, awesome. Alright guys, I think it's already done. Next, our preparations. Look at that, our rice. I want to cook half, so after we have again next cooking. Alright guys, close the lid. Okay, now I'm going to add our all the masala egg to the vegetable. Wow, what the smell! Now I'm going to add our basmati rice. Okay, this is our magic beetroot final roast. Oh gosh, look at this. Our bird eggs biryani. What a beautiful, what a smells, guys. Okay, now our time to taste. Now time to taste. I will taste and let you know, guys, the taste of our next level red eggs biryani. Get some more wine. Right. Take some more wine. Right, guys, I'm gonna take my first bite. What a taste, man. Awesome. Super delicious. The taste I tasted was egg and excellent guide. All around the ingredient, so delicious. The taste of all around super savory, little bit spicy, minimum bite flavor, very taste and healthy. Especially taste of the egg, buttery and salty flavor, spicy mixed with everything together. Vegetable, lot of vegetables are there, guys. This is a very healthy food. There is no chemical, no food chemical, no colorings. I put all the natural ingredients. Thanks to guys watching for my video. So next video I will bring to you another amazing recipe. Bye bye, guys.